graders, we miss you. Happy first day of spring. Today, we're going to introduce fractions. By the end of the mini lesson, we want you to be able to identify parts of a whole. Think about your favorite candy bar. Do you want to eat that candy bar by yourself? Or break it in half and share it with a friend? Or how about a brownie? Do you want to eat one whole brownie? Or would you like to share it with 2 friends and break it into thirds? Think about that.
Okay guys, so a fraction shows equal parts of a whole. The number on top, that is called your numerator. The numerator are your number of parts that are counted or separated. The number on the bottom, that is your denominator, and that shows your total amount of pieces. So right here, I have a piece of paper. It is split into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So my denominator, my whole, will be 4. My numerator, the number of parts that are shaded or accounted for right here, would be 1. So my fraction would be 1/4. I also have a triangle here. This triangle is split into 2 equal parts. So my denominator, the number of parts I have all together, is 2. The number of parts that I have shaded is 1. This fraction will be called 1/2. I have one more. It looks kind of like a pie. It is split into 3 parts. We call those thirds. My denominator will be 3. The number of parts that are shaded is 1. So this is 1/3.
Please watch the Brain Pop video and answer the questions for the quiz on your Seesaw account.
Wait, stop. You're supposed to share with the whole class. Moby, that's not fair. Everyone is supposed to get equal parts of the sandwich. What is a fraction? A fraction tells you the number of parts out of a whole. Not that kind of whole, Moby. Something is whole when it has all of its parts. I love muffins. This whole muffin has 2 equal parts. In a fraction, the number of parts goes under a line. There are 2 parts. You took 1 part of the muffin, and that number goes on top. So this fraction shows you took 1 out of 2 parts. You can also write this as 1/2. What is a half? When you split something in half, you make 2 equal parts. Right, Moby, there are 2 halves in a whole. Half for you and half for me. There are 2 equal pieces, and we each get 1 piece. Sometimes I see a half moon at night. And everyone loves a half day of school. What is a third? We can share this cake between you, me, and Grandpa. We can cut the cake into thirds. That means we divide it into 3 equal pieces. We each get 1 slice. So Grandpa gets 1 out of 3 slices. We each get 1/3 of the whole cake. There are 3 of us, but only 1 is a robot. So 1 out of 3 of us is a robot. What is a 4th? I love apple pie, and this pie has 4 equal slices. You took 1 slice. So you took 1 out of 4 slices, or 1/4 of the slices. 1/4 is also called 1/4. Exactly, Moby. There are 4 quarters in a dollar. So 1/4 is 1/4 of a dollar. I can divide a lot of things into fourths. Like a piece of paper, a cup of water, an inch, or an hour. I think all this sugar is making us sick, Moby. We better cut up the sandwich so everyone can get an equal piece. It's okay, Moby. I've got a slice saved right here. Wait, you're supposed to give me half. I guess you can keep mine.